We're going to be talking about ICP and we're going to be talking about an ICP Golden Cross. Three things need to happen for us to get an ICP Golden Cross within the next couple of weeks. And that's exactly what we're going to be talking about because we've put in a high, we pushed past $9, we've retraced around 50% from that previous move. It is important that we maintain that higher low structure, and these three things need to happen next. The first thing that we will talk about is what is the Golden Cross? Why is the Golden Cross important and why does it carry so much weight behind any kind of retail move? Because retail love a moving average. It's the most simple thing that you can use. And all it does, guys, is it means one thing. You get two moving averages. You've got your 200 period moving average. You've got your 50 period moving average. We're on the daily chart. So we need a cross from the 200 of the 50 to go above. So as simple as that, guys, we're looking for this. We're looking for this 50, the yellow, to cross above the 200, the green. Once that happens, that's going to be a confirmed golden cross on ICP. So what happens when you get a golden cross? What happens when you get a golden cross? Let's look at the last one. What about here? Golden cross. You've got the 50 moving above the 200. And what you get is a price acceleration at this golden cross level and a move to the upside of 429%. So it does carry a lot of weight behind it, and we're looking for when the next golden cross is going to happen. So the three moves that need to happen before we get a confirmed golden cross, the first one is we need to maintain the higher low structure and we need to hold the 200 daily moving average. We talked about that in the last video, the 200 daily moving average. That's a big lifeline, and that's sat at $4.98 to $5. So you can see we're starting to curve up. We're starting to see some momentum. Now, the faster pace moving average is the 50 period moving average, which is 4 times quicker than the 200. Divided by 4, you get 50. It's 4 times quicker. That means it's faster paced and it's calculated over 50 candles rather than 200. So what you'll see is if price stays above, over the next few days, you'll see the 50 start moving up towards the 200. And once you get the cross, you tend to get an acceleration in price. So that is the first thing we need to do. We need to maintain the high-low structure. We need to hold the 200 daily moving average. And then we're going to bring up our indicators because we knew one thing. At this level, we were extremely overbought. At this level, we were extremely overbought. At this level, we were extremely overbought. We needed to pull back. We needed the indicators to come back into oversold whilst maintaining a higher low structure, whilst holding the 200 daily moving average. So that's exactly what's happening. We're coming into oversold. That is positive for ICP. That is looking good. So indicators reset and the stochastic. Now, the third thing, the RSI. We're going to pull up the RSI. Now, remember with the RSI, the 50 rule. When you're above 50, you're trading bullish. When you're below 50, you're trading bearish. And we can look at that anywhere within the chart. You can see when you're below, you can see lower lows, lower highs. When you're above, higher lows, higher highs. So we need to maintain this 50 structure. As price pulls back to the 200 daily moving average, we need to hold the 200 daily moving average. We've got our stochastic RSI, which is reset. All of these things are positive. So in the next couple of days, we're going to find out whether we're going to get an ICP Golden Cross by just understanding that we need to hold the current structure that we're at now. Let me know in the comments if you did find this useful, guys. I'll see you in the next one.